Welcome back to our Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can we add animation to Microsoft PowerPoint slide with full customization, just like this. Guys, if you really wanted to learn Microsoft PowerPoint with its advanced animation techniques, I recommend you to have with my YouTube channel with subscription. Just give me a few moments from your valuable times. So let's get started. First of all, gather all of your required image. I'm inserting my image from my PC. You just arrange all of your image and shapes according to your design layout. This is my design layout, as you can see here. Draw a rounded rectangle and change the color. Make sure no outline. Take a copy holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard, Ctrl and Shift key at a time, and change the color. Okay. Then draw a text box. Click Insert, then Shapes, and choose Text Box and type your text. Take a copy holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. If you want to know your color code from Microsoft PowerPoint, so first of all, select the particular shape and go to Shape Format. Click here, Shape Fill, and go to More Fill Colors. And here you can see this RGB value, red, green, and blue. Also you can see here hexadecimal value here. Okay, copy this text and paste here. Okay, change the font. Take a copy holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Change the text color from here. Then go to Insert, then Shapes. Draw a rectangle here. Then select the shape and click Send to Back. After that, go to Insert, then Shapes, and draw a line. Change the color. Go to Shape Outline. Increase the thickness. Take a copy holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Okay, after that we should draw this type of arrow. So go to Insert, then Shapes, then click here. Okay, complete. Now we can add our animation. To add animation, select the particular shape and go to animation, choose fly in, change the direction from here, from top, and start with previous, duration around 1, click here, animation pane, then click this arrow icon, go to effect option, increase the bounce int, smooth start. Okay, after that select this arrow and choose fly in, change the direction from top with previous, duration around 1, then delay 1.25, then click here, effect option, bounce int. Okay, do the same thing for this one. Select animation painter and click this arrow, this time just change the direction from bottom. Okay, now how it look like. After that select this text and choose fly in, change the direction from right, click here with previous, increase the delay around 2 and duration 1.25, click here, effect option, bounce int. Okay, perfect. After that click this arrow, choose fly in, change the direction from left, start with previous, duration around 1 and delay 3. How it look like. Okay, after that click this arrow icon, then effect option, bounce int. Then click this arrow icon, then animation painter, click this arrow to apply animation. Okay, this time just change the direction from right. Now select this text, just fly in, change the direction from top, click with previous, delay around 4, duration 0.75, click this arrow icon, effect option, bounce int. Okay, how it look like. Select this line and choose float in, click with previous, duration 0.75, delay around 5, then click this line and choose animation painter and click this line. Okay, this time change the direction, plot down. We can increase the duration. Okay, okay, after that select this icon, plot in, change the direction, plot down, and start with previous. Select this icon and choose animation painter, then click this white icon. Okay, how it look like. Increase the delay just a bit. 7. Choose the text, plot in, start with previous, delay around 7.75. How it look like. Decrease the duration just a bit. After that select this round rectangle, then choose fly in, change the direction from right, start with previous, delay around 8.75, effect option, smooth in, fly in with previous, delay around 9.5, and effect option, smooth in. Okay, how it look like. So change the direction for this text from right, select this black shape, fly in with previous, 10, fly in with previous, 10.75, and plot in with previous, 11.25. Change the direction from right. Okay, effect option, increase smooth int. Okay, so how it look like. Increase the delay 10.5, Okay, complete. So at the end of our animation, how it look like? So thank you so much all of you guys. See you soon with my next exciting animation tutorials coming soon. Till then, keep practicing and have with our YouTube channel with subscription. Take care.